Morning students, welcome to online classes presented by Mr. Ravi Eskumbar, lecturer in Department of Studies in Commerce, KLS Gupte, College of Commerce, Belgaum. So dear students, today we are going to discuss about the continuation aspect of pricing strategy or adjustments of pricing. So from last classes we are discussing pricing strategy, in that skimming pricing, leader price, penetration, price bundling, multi-unit pricing, everyday lower pricing, psychological pricing. So these are all the pricings we are going to complete it. So these are the pricing strategy will not be used continuously. So according to the time being, we are going to setting the prices. Okay, is it clear? So these are the prices will be set by the water retailer and manufacturers. So next in today class we are going to discuss about a retail pricing strategy. See, these retail pricing strategy are according to the demand or according to the market policy, according to the price policy. We are going to regularly we are going to using these pricing strategy as per the demand. So discount, markup and markdown. So what will happen at the discount? In discount, basically discount is more popular strategy adopted by the retailer to gain the attention of the customers towards the shop. So to getting the attention of the customers, we are going to using the discount pricing strategy. Best example, D Mart. D means what? Discount mart. So the discount mart is going to getting the attention from the customers. So many of the Belgaum peoples, we are getting attention towards the D Mart because they are going to attract the customers by giving the discounts on the products. And the discounts, which is reduction of the price that is offered to customers to give any one of the following formats. It may be coupon, it may be rebates, or it may be clearance sales. So what will happen at the coupon? See, discount coupons or vouchers are given to privileged and regular customers. Means whatever the coupons are given to what? Regular customers. Such coupons may be given as a compliment on purchase or availing of any other services or product. This is given to customer. Next, rebate. See, a portion of retail price is given on back to the customers on his purchase. So rebate means what? Once a customer is purchasing goods, on that a portion, some percentage, some portion of amount is given to what? Return back to the customer. For example, if I am going to purchase 1000 goods purchase, out of 1000, for example, some portion means 200 rupees given to what? Return back to the customer. That is what? Rebate. Next, clearance sales. So in this discount, what will happen? Because clearance sales is one of the discount. Stocks clearance sales is a routine tack adopted by the retailer to clear the unsold goods. Because to clear the unsold goods, so this strategy is to be used by the retailer. Retailer products like garments, electronics, that are influenced by the fashion, like subject to the changing of fashion frequently. Because of that, we are going to using a clearance sale. Next, we'll move to the price marketing, in that markup. See, markup pricing is nothing but actual sales minus cost of sales. We'll get it what? Markup sales, because only the actual sales minus cost of sale, the difference is to what? Markup price. It is a difference between initial retail price and cost of sale. The margin of the profit is retailer expected to on his sales. That is markup place. The markup means what? The retailer have a particular mark. For that mark, he is expecting the profit. So that is to be what? A markup. Next, markdown. So what will happen to the markdown? So it is downward adjustment in retail price. It is a similar to maintained markup. So as what we are maintaining in the markup, same we are going to maintain in the markdown, but it is a downward adjustment. It is reduction in the retail price that reduces the profit margin of a retailer. Markdown is always calculated on the retail or selling price. So only the formula will be how to calculate the markdown: original price minus reduced price divided by selling price. So we will get it. So what exactly the markdown price? How much the price is going to reduce? So only markdown price is a downward adjustment and is similar the method of following of the markup price, and it should be fixed on the basis of what? Retail or selling price. So these are the pricing strategy under the what? Retailing. Basically these whatever I'm right now I'm going to explain you, discount, markup and markdown, according to the demand based regularly we are using, but these are according to that the manufacturer will be set the prices. In the next class we have to discuss about that is a fifth unit, that is retail marketing mix. That is fifth unit. So fourth unit is entirely completed. From the next class we have to discuss about a retail marketing mix. Thank you.